Hi, this is Maria Alfano, Director of Operations of Alfano Property Management. Today I bring to you home tips. How to use a simple, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly tool to help you maintain your bathroom drain lines clean. The name of the tool is Sip It. So it's a simple tool. You can buy it at your favorite hardware store, and it's inexpensive. Like I said, $2.50, more or less. So we are in the bathroom now, and I am going to demonstrate how to use the Sip It in your sink. I like to wear gloves just because sometimes you don't really know what's going to come out of the sink and it can get really gunky. So you can wear gloves, and I like to keep a paper towel close by. So you don't want to go too deep because it can get stuck. So just a little bit on the edges and around until you start catching hair, or sometimes there is flaws that can get stuck there, or hairs, and it all comes out. See all that gunk that just accumulates there. Now with the paper towel, you can clean it up. And that's it for this sink. This sink was not very dirty. We're gonna do another sink now. Okay, so this is a second sink that I have in this bathroom. And I'm hoping that this one's gonna be a little bit dirtier so you can see what comes out. Let's see. Oh, this one's got a lot of hair that's coming out. So you can grab the hair and pull it out. One good thing about this tool is that you can use it as often as you want. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals that will mess up your plumbing. You just have to be careful not to push it in too much. So I did this sink maybe about 2 months ago, so it's not too bad. But the person that uses this sink has long hair, so it should be done often. Okay, I think this sink is done for now. Both sinks are clean. So I hope you learned something today, and until next time, see you later.